Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Nissan Maxima's AC system. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate eye protection and gloves to shield yourself from potential hazards. Make sure your vehicle is in a well-ventilated area, perhaps outdoors, to ensure proper air circulation. Then, locate the low-pressure service port on your AC system, which is typically found on the larger diameter line. To successfully recharge your AC, you'll need a few key items. First, acquire a can of R134A refrigerant, ideally with a built-in charging hose and pressure gauge. This gauge is essential for monitoring the system's pressure accurately throughout the process. Some refrigerants also include a leak sealer, which can be helpful for very small, minor leaks. Having these tools ready makes the job much smoother. Now let's get to the actual recharging. Start your engine and set your AC to its coldest temperature and highest fan speed. Connect the charging hose to the low-pressure service port, ensuring a secure fit. Slowly add the refrigerant in short bursts, checking the pressure gauge frequently. You want to reach the recommended pressure range, usually indicated on the gauge itself. Be careful not to overcharge, as this can harm your compressor. After adding refrigerant, check the air coming from your vents. It should now be consistently cold and strong. Listen for any unusual sounds from the compressor. A healthy system should run smoothly. If the air isn't cold enough, or if you hear strange noises, it might indicate a larger issue. A persistent leak or a failing component requires professional diagnosis and repair to ensure your AC works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.